Welcome back to Wholesaling Quickies, the series where I try to get out my idea before your short attention span disappears. Today, we're going to be talking about, are you ready to close? And what I mean by that is, are you actually preparing yourself before you place the call to the motivated seller to close the deal and get the signed contract? So start off with, we have to have all of our systems pulled up on our computers and ready to get a signed contract. So you have to have your CRM so you can see your leads, see all the contact information, the address, everything that you need there. You need your comping software. For us, I always have PropStream and Privy open, as well as Zillow. Okay, I'm going to use Zillow to see if there's pictures that exist there, previous listings and whatnot. You also need to have Google Street View. That's the first thing that you're going to look at. You want to do a quick analysis of the neighborhood and see if there's anything that stands out as to why someone would not want to buy this property as an investment. You want to have a dispo software like InvestorBase, InvestorLift, or DealSpeed open to check to see how many cash buyers and the buyer activity in the area. You also want to have your contract open, and before you even call the seller, go ahead and pre-fill in the things that are never going to change, right? Like date. I'm calling on October 22nd, 2025. Let's go ahead and put that date in there. My entity name as the buyer. Go ahead and anticipate that your closing date is going to be 30 days from now. What you're going to leave blank is going to be the asking price, the legal description, the address, the seller's name, the closing attorney or the title company, and the state in which you're doing the deal. So it leaves you with 7 fill in the blanks. It's not that bad. So leave those open, be ready, have that in a fillable Word document. Once you fill in those blanks, you download it as a PDF, and then what do you drop it into? Your electronic signing service, whether that's DocuSign, PandaDoc, or like us, Dropbox Sign. Have that where you're logged in, you're ready to just drag and drop that PDF and get it sent out. And then you need to have your email open so you can see when the seller was to open the email, that they viewed the contract, and then also when they've successfully signed it. Now you have all of your softwares open and you're ready to truly close the deal. But the last thing I want to talk about is, are you mentally ready to close the deal? See, the majority of newer wholesalers, they get themselves into this predicament where, oh, I don't know if these sellers are going to answer the phone. I don't know if these cold call leads work. I don't know if RJ means what he talks about with these nationwide exclusive leads. They're rural and no one ever answers the phone. Here's the thing. Mentally, you got to go into these conversations absolutely knowing that you are going to win. When I go into them, you can hear me. When I'm live on YouTube and you guys are watching me, you will hear me talk to myself. I will say, this is the one. This seller needs me. They're going to answer the phone and they're going to sell me this property for a discount. I guarantee it. And then sure enough, throughout the day, you'll see it. That seller will answer. They want to sell the property for a discount, and I go into it and I end up with a signed contract. So change how you speak to yourself. The words that you say matter. Go into that conversation with optimism. Go into it knowing that you're going to close the deal and be prepared to actually close the deal. So this is our first episode of the next 9 to 10 days of Wholesaling Quickies. I hope you guys enjoy them. Let me know in the comments if you do. Show me some love. Like today's video. We'll see you guys tomorrow on another Wholesaling Quickies.